Alright Tech fam, the depth of your WhatsApp holds some hidden conversations and most of them wants to be private. But what if you want to control who sees them? Want to learn how you can hide your WhatsApp chats from your PC as well as your mobile phone? So gather around your device screen because you're watching techzeel. My name is Himanshu and let's do it. So first of all, open up your WhatsApp. From the three dots, go to the settings. Now tap on privacy, and if you find option of chat lock, then that's the key for you. Now go back to your WhatsApp chats and long press on the chat you want to hide. Like this. After that, tap on the three dots. You will be able to see the chat lock option. Just tap on that, tap on continue. You will be getting the option that you can unlock the chat using your Face ID or fingerprint. Add your fingerprint. Now go back to the home screen of your device and open the WhatsApp again. That chat isn't available now. To get it back, just swipe down. The option for locked chats emerge. Tap on that. Add your fingerprint. It will be available under the locked chats menu. See? Now, if you don't want the swipe down feature so that no one can guess that you have some hidden chats, you can do one more thing. From here, tap on these three dots. Tap on the chat lock settings. You will have these two options which works simultaneously with each other. So first of all, tap on secret code. Here, add any secret code or any password, and even you can use any emoji for your secret code. Like this. Now confirm your code again. Now tap on hide locked chats. Add your secret code here. Tap on done. Now go back to the chats, and even after swiping down, you won't be getting those locked chats. And to get them, just tap on the search bar, enter your code, and see the locked chat section is visible again. And tap on it. Here's the chat. So guys, it's completely your choice that you want to hide your locked chats using those secret codes, or you just want to hide them from the chat interface by using your biometric. And that's all in this video, how you can hide your WhatsApp chats. And if you find this video useful and informative, just hit that like button, comment down your thoughts on this, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. And I'll meet you super soon in the next one.